Hi. So what's wrong with the African savannah?
People are poaching animals, um, which are aka hunting, and they're thinking.
And what is your solution to stop people?
We made up a law that says if you hunt, you go to jail for 50 years.
Okay.
Hi, my name is Eve. Hi, my name's Noah.
My name is Max.
And we made a poster of
The
how
African
to make,
safari.
yeah, and how to help it. The people are hunting the animals, right, Max?
Yes.
And also,
We made a picture of this guy hunting, or you can call it poaching.
poaching, and he's technically trapping.
So we made these red things right here are meat, and you see the lion is gonna come in the cage, so the person right here can trap him.
Yeah. And also, we made this fake law which says if you hunt, you will go to jail for 50 years if you hunt in the African Savana.
Spread awareness.
How to help?
Spread awareness.
Don't worry about that, guys. Okay, we're just need people are hunting,
Are treating the African safari
like it's not supposed to be treated.
they're treating it like it's the
Like it's like the military.
like it's a free land.
Yeah, it's like it's a free land to eat and hunt and trap and stuff.
Yeah. My name is Eve, reporting from the African safari. Today we have a temperatures at 78 of Fahrenheit, then drops down to the high 50s. Bring a jacket night to stay warm and stay safe from lions. Okay, bye.